Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started! Cuarto, 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 meaning room. Punda, 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 meaning pillowcase. Paso, 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 meaning flower pot or vase. Kahoy, 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 meaning wood. Posporo, 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 meaning matchsticks. Bukas, 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 meaning open. Sarado, 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 meaning close. Mabigat, 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 meaning heavy. Magaan, 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 meaning light. Bata, 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 meaning child or young. Matanda, 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 meaning old or an adult. This is the antonym of soft. Matigas, 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 meaning hard. Malambot, 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 meaning soft. Tuyo, 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 meaning dried fish or dry. Basa, 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 meaning wet. Mayaman, 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 meaning rich. Mahirap, 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 meaning poor or hard. Matapang, 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 meaning brave. Duwag, 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 meaning coward. Ligtas, 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 meaning safe. Panganib, 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 meaning danger or not safe. Malamig, 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 meaning cold. Mainit, 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 meaning hot. Maligamgam, 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 meaning warm. Matangkad, 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 meaning tall. Pandak, 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 meaning short. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!